Hi everyone, welcome to tonight's box break. We're gonna open today a Panini limited box. Here is the screen for the last bid, which was the Winnipeg Jets. Here is the serial number of the box. We're gonna open today. Thank you. First card for the Philadelphia Flyers, Braden Shen, numbered of 299. Niklas Backstrom for the Washington Capitals, numbered of 49. Very nice card. Next we have Ed Belfour, numbered of 299 for the Dallas Stars. Oh, next for the Philadelphia Flyers again, this is Zach Rinaldo, Phenoms RC. This one is numbered of 299. Oh, next we have a crease cleaners jersey, Yaroslav Halak for the St. Louis Blues, numbered of 99. Oh, next we'll have to randomize this one because it's a duo. Brothers in Harm, Roberto Luongo for the Vancouver Canucks and Martin Brodeur for the New Jersey Devils. This is a beautiful card. This one is numbered of 10. This one is numbered 1 of 10. So we'll do a random between the New Jersey Devils and Vancouver in just a minute. And we also have Tim Thomas for the Boston Bruins. So we'll go ahead and do a random between New Jersey and Vancouver. So as you know, we do 3 randoms, and the team that is in first position after let me show you the card. The team that is in first position after 3 random will get the card. So whoops, sorry guys, always takes a few seconds. Okay, just gonna so you see that we have the 2 teams, New Jersey Devils, Vancouver Canucks. Good luck. First random nice. Second one. And final one. So whoever team is on top, New Jersey Devils. So just gonna, oops, sorry guys, I'm bad with the camera tonight. New Jersey Devils, you're gonna get this beautiful card of Roberto Luongo and Martin Brodeur. Thanks to all who participate. We have a Panini Dominion and the Cups break over the weekend on eBay. Have a look. And we also have more box break going on hockeyboxbreak.com. Thanks.